In this video, we will introduce you to OneTest style general cognitive ability test. In this episode, we will discuss the structure of the test and explain what the tutorial pack offers to help you succeed on this test. For copyright compliance, note that the test questions presented in the tutorial pack are approximations only and do not represent actual OneTest questions. Here's the structure of the cognitive ability test. It contains numerical, abstract or diagram-based, and verbal reasoning test questions. The actual test consists of 51 questions with a 20-minute time limit. You will encounter numerical problems, number series, word analogies, deductive reasoning questions, English vocabulary test questions, and problems based on diagrams, shapes, and figures. Employers that use cognitive ability test format include, but are not limited to, Deloitte, an auditing and consulting firm, BDO, an accounting firm, BMW, a multinational car maker, PepsiCo, a beverage maker, an Australian government, and many others. The Cognitive Ability Test tutorial pack is designed in a similar style to OneTest, but it's also 90% suitable for other cognitive ability tests such as Professional Learning Indicator or PLI tests. You may be wondering, how would I benefit from this tutorial? A typical CAT test allows only about 23 seconds per question on average. To an untrained eye, this might mean confusion and frustration. So what will you learn? You will practice switching quickly and repeatedly between different categories of problems such as numerical and abstract reasoning questions. You will also learn useful techniques to identify problems and patterns and save time. Here's a table of contents of the tutorial ebook. There are 4 key sections in this tutorial ebook. One is numerical reasoning test tutorial, problems presented verbally, number sequences, and matrices or tables. Section number 2 is on abstract reasoning test problem types, identical figures, rotating figures to different degrees, figures that change colors, figures that are changed by a cue, figures with consistent features, figures with moving components, and figures that represent weights. And section 3 is on verbal reasoning test that examines words with similar, opposite, or different meanings, words that do not logically belong to a group of words, comparing 2 pairs of related words. And the final section presents you the best practice approach and a summary of cognitive ability test techniques that could be used to save time. And that's it for now. Hope you'll make the most of it. Visit www.graduatemonkey.com for more.